morning. So today is April 27. Tomorrow is my birthday.
Yep.
And time check, it's 8:45 in the morning. And ngayon nagbe-breakfast kami. Kumuha kami ng breakfast sa McDonald's. And now guys, we're going to San Francisco. So see you guys there. Marami kaming pupunta na ipapakita namin sa inyo lahat. But first, magmi-meet kami ng mga cousin ni Joseph sa isang restaurant doon sa I-580 na freeway. So, kita-kits tayo doon guys, and ipapakita namin sa inyo lahat ng pupuntahan namin sa San Francisco. See you guys!
Check you out later. Kain muna tayo ng breakfast. Mahabang-habang biyahe. Sige. Ang kape ko na, ala ka na hala. Tapos ano ka naman na yun? Baka reklamo ka naman doon, sakit naman, imo na dyan, acid mo or...
This is decaf. Remember?
Decaf.
Oh, look at that.
Sa mga lagaw-lagaw, pero syempre ang obra non-stop man. Later mag-meet up kami, Manang Marta, Manang Mary Ann Ebol, saka si Manong Nicky and his son Nicolas, si Manong Flu and Manang Margie Motilibano Ortigas will be there also. So malapit na kami sa San Francisco. So mag-stop by muna kami dito, magpagas ulit at saka bili ng foods.
Guys, may nangyari sa amin. Nagpagas kami and then si Joseph nakalimutan niyang i-turn off. Umawas yung gas, ang dami. So nakaano kami, siguro mga almost $6 siguro, no?
Yeah, actually $10 na lahat.
Ngayon nangangamoy gas yung labas ng car. Hopefully hindi yun maano, 'di ba? So yan, kumuha muna kami ng hotdog.
Saka hard-boiled eggs.
And then we have this one, hard-boiled eggs.
Share na kami ng large drink.
Soda.
Yan.
Alright. So yan. Ito yung masarap pag nagta-travel ka, alam mo. Ang dami mong nabibili na mga kaek-ekan.
Mabilis ka magutom.
I know, right? Papunta na kami ngayon
San Francisco and see you there. Hard-boiled eggs, cold pa.
birthday card. Kay Manang Margie, sa mga Ebals. Thank you, Manang Mary Ann, Manang Martha. Your gift cards and the money. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello, we're in the streets of San Francisco now. Past 9 in the evening, and early dinner with my cousins a while ago. And tomorrow, pupunta kami ng Golden Gate. Oh.
Guys, nandito kami sa ano. Hindi namin alam. Hi guys! Sorry kami sa bungo. Wala kami kabalo, kundi kami gatalang-talang kami din. Gatalang-talang kami kapangita kami sa amon kanan namon.
Well, ako I'm still full kay na sa amon early dinner.
So dito kami makadto guys. So. Guys, tunawan kami guys. Din kami to, nagkaon kami. Kami. Gosh, hindi na motel to. Oh my gosh, it's so cold in here. Oh, we're walking kami do, kami lang din nagalakat. Kulba. Oh my gosh. So cold. So cold, my gosh.
Starting route to Golden Gate Bridge.
Yay! Good morning, everyone. We are going to the Golden Gate Bridge now. It's 10:07 in the morning. Lilinisan yung yung mga insect na nandun sa harap kasi nga 'di ba, going here, daming farm. So, ang daming insekto. So, ayan. Yun, sorry kung ganito pa rin yung aking suot. Kalimutan ko talaga, ito yung nadala ko. Pero okay lang yun, 'di ba? Life is too short. Kailangan natin maging happy and forget about, kung ano man mga minor na mga problema dyan. Oh my God! Today is my birthday! Sabi sa akin ni Elsie, shoutout kay Elsie, pupunta ka ba ng Golden Bridge kasi golden years ng birthday mo. Ganun pala yun. Hindi ko naisip yun eh. So anyway, binigyan niya ako ng idea. Kaya yes, pupunta kami doon ngayon. It's 10 in the morning. So dun yung first namin na destination. It's only 2.2 miles away dito sa hotel namin na tinutulugan. So ayan si Joseph. Pumasok na sa sasakyan. And guys, see you there later! What can you say, Joseph?
So guys, what you can see here is the Golden Gate Bridge. It's not actually gold, it's actually red oxide, rust. Okay, so yun. This is the beach over here. We have lots of people right now, tourists taking pictures in this area. Wow. Wonderful.
Hola, le doy uno. Vengan a probarlo por
¿Cuántos? Hay altas frutas. Miren, buenas frutas. Deliciosas. Mangos, watermelon.
Pepino?
Ya pepino, jícama, melón, piña.
Melon.
Cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe is
Yeah.
melon.
Yeah,
The
melon.
Philippines we call it melon.
Piña.
What is this?
Mango.
Ah, manga.
Muy dulce.
Yeah.
You want to try one?
That's okay. I have one.
Yeah.
Oh,
No
okay, I'll try.
problem.
Thank you.
Okay. Sweet mango. Muy bueno.
It's like
Very sweet.
yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
Corn.
What?
I'll just
Mahal?
give. Yeah.
Bueno.
Look
What?
at that. What do you call this?
Golden Gate. Ito yung Golden Gate.
What do you do? Tapos na mo? Oh yeah.
Yeah, lots of onions.
One chili as
No, no, no. Oh, can you put more? A little bit more? Yeah.
You don't want
No, 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 no. Mayo and then ketchup.
ketchup or
A little bit of ketchup.
and
That's
you have a mustard in it?
little bit, little bit. There you go.
Yes.
Ooh, look at that. Thank you.
First bite ng chili hotdog. Lots of onions, saka meron chilies at saka
Okay. How is it? How is it?
Great.
Good.
Yeah. Namit kasi basta mag-uwi niluto tapos yung mga white onions,
Gamit.
bell pepper, sweet pepper, then you have a little bit of mustard, mayo, and ketchup. Perfect combination.
And then they put a lot of onion, right?
Onions.
Good, 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 good.
Good.
But it's okay. I'm gonna try their hot dog. Good, very good. Pasado sa panglasa.
Yep. Maybe yan ako ga.
They put a lot of yellow pepper. Yeah. One more bite.
Oh. Good, right?
That's the replica of a sailor who sailed here in
Golden Gate area.
Sige. I'll show you something. Ito yung makukuha mo pag nag-travel ka. Going here or going north na maraming farms. Ito yung makukuha mo, guys. Oh. Yan, ang daming mga insect na hindi siya OMG. Guys, we are going to the how do you know, hindi ko alam kung paano sabihin yun, crooked or the zigzag road dito sa San Francisco. Very exciting siya at nakakakaba. So, hopefully na ma-accomplish natin to. Look at all those.
The Painted Ladies Tour.
Yes, our next stop.
Head east on North
We're
Point
going to Painted Ladies. So sorry about that. Not a haunted. It's like a
In half a mile, turn right onto Turk Street.
Painted Ladies. It's the Painted Ladies, you guys.
The destination is on your left. Painted Ladies.
This is the one.
Arrive.
It's the iconic. Kaya lang natabunan ng mga kahoy. Dati wala yun. It's the Painted Ladies. Look at the people. Sabi nila. Parang i-view nila yun, eh.
City Hall, San Francisco.
Dragon Gate.
Sliding gate.
Amod mo sa gata mo. Ayan na restaurant dito. Where you go to Starbucks?
Come. Hold on.
Ha?
Come. Starbucks. Wait po lang ako.
Ha? Here you go guys, fun time. I'll try your pork. Okay lang.
Okay lang. Sauce.
With sauce? Dami yung sauce?
Oo.
I'll try you guys. Pad Thai. That's good, huh?